What exactly is Web 3? What does it have to do with cryptocurrencies? The answer will be found in this interactive video by Money Invest. For those who are unfamiliar with any of the Web 3 details, we're here to help you explore the crypto world. We explore all the hard topics using comparisons and examples. Our goal is to make it easy for anyone to understand cryptocurrency. In this video, Web 3 Explained, we detail what the Internet of Things is and how social networking will change our lives. The Internet has mixed information about what Web 3.0 entails, but for this video I'm going to give a general explanation of Web 1.0, what Web 2.0 is, according to most of the people, and then I will examine this emerging trend that a lot of people are calling Web 3.0. The web has been around for nearly 30 years now, and from the beginning, users have been consumers. In 1991, read-only internet meant simply loading a page that would just show some content and not much else. Companies had no incentive to monetize their traffic because there were no extra interactions besides going to a brand's website to find a specific item you wanted to buy at a good price. The evolution of the internet meant that not only readers could interact with the content, but also the creator. User-generated content is one of the key features of Web 2.0 sites, like YouTube and Etsy. Although web pages used to receive information from us, the tables have turned because by performing simple search queries or viewing advertisements on social media sites, these centralized companies are now able to collect data about us. This means they are now serving better content which will increase our stay on their websites. Web 2.0 is the age of targeted advertising and the lack of privacy for its users. Newer, more powerful algorithms could package up all our data for advertisers for Web 3.0 to level the playing field between advertisers and companies like Facebook and Instagram, who know everything about us. Syncing users' data to give them back ownership may be one way of reclaiming privacy in a world trending toward greater surveillance. As social media evolves, Web 3 will be more user-centric, integrating AI to make decisions based on the information you give it, your likes or video views. However, if you look at the ads that they show you, that is them sorting data by information you didn't know you give them. For example, when you went to their self-driving car at Burger King last night, they knew that. When you dropped your kids off at tennis every day at 5 p.m. except for Tuesdays, they knew that. All that data is being extracted from us, whether we want to or not. There was that famous article about how machine learning is capable of predicting a pregnancy. Through a centralized company controlling all our data, this is something unsettling. But if you feel the video has been worth watching so far, then consider clicking the like button. That would make a big difference to our channel. Web 3.0 is coming and it's going to make the internet better. It will probably involve the use of blockchain technology and decentralized tools. Web 3.0 allows you to be the owner of your content, giving the power of defining the permanence of your posts back to you. Blockchains like Odyssey offer an alternative to centralized models like YouTube. Users can earn library tokens by enticing viewers to watch their videos. When it comes to videos, Web 3 cannot really stop them from being posted. If someone uploads it and someone else in the network wants to share it, they can technically download that video and then let others watch that. This means you can watch a video and download it as well. Kind of like a large torrent network, if you know what that is. Open-source social media like Blockstack is using lateral storage to ensure that hateful content does not get taken down. Essentially, this would be because your post is not just on one of Facebook's servers, but on thousands of computers around the world. So theoretically, Facebook would be much safer content for younger audiences because it's guided by regulations, while blockchain screens posts in the name of freedom. Again, this idea needs reviewing before it could work tremendously well, though. In Web 3.0, experts say every company will have the opportunity to turn their good ideas into solid businesses. It will have a decentralized structure, giving people a voice in project direction and be owned by the community, not just a particular individual or business. Decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs, exist when blockchain is used to manage decisions and actions typically by a group of people. A DAO has no CEOs or presidents that answer to others and, instead, individuals in the group with the most tokens get to vote on how the company changes. The Internet's next wave of technology is Web 3.0, which will provide censorship-resistant social networks like Facebook and Twitter, by eliminating the need for one controlling authority. One of the goals of Web 3.0 is the access to digital information, or data, without worrying about your real-world identity. For example, I may be able to find information without my identity being traced. There are several ways to tackle the issue of anonymity online. I think VPNs are one of the most popular ways, but it might not suit you. So subscribe now to learn more in our future videos. Web 3.0 could dramatically change the way you live your life. For example, with one wallet, you can comment on the posts of your friends. Also, with help from Ethereum web services, you can use Node app to automatically react to Ethereum events wherever it's mapped. It's an efficient way to participate in the Ethereum network without any server-side coding needed. If decentralized models grow, they will take competition away from centralized companies, like Facebook and Google. Until the data market is reformed, however, decentralization may not be a possibility due to the monopoly of power that monopolizes internet browsing. One of the tenets of Web 3.0 is decentralization. Projects like the Web3 Foundation are popping up to start working on this integration now. The Web3 Foundation endeavors to achieve this by supporting projects like Raven Coin, a decentralized application store. 3 projects are the blockchain, Polkadot's test chain, and the Web3 Summit, which isn't a good overview of what Web 3.0 actually is. However, Polkadot also offers some grants which many have to do with supporting and using the Polkadot blockchain. Web3 is a technology that has been proposed as a solution for scalability and usability problems in the web, but not ownership. The term refers to establishing a new type of internet or decentralized internet. Solana is also taking advantage of the novelty of the internet when it comes to AI and blockchain technology with its own ICO. Web 3.0 is a concept that describes the internet of the future. The idea behind Web 3.0 is that it will be decentralized, using peer-to-peer networks, totally green and global. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. We hope that you enjoyed it, and we really hope you've learned something. Make sure to subscribe to this channel if you want to support the education of Web 3.0 in the future, and we'll see you in our next video.